So, you want to change your PSN account's date of birth or your age, and I'll show you the only possible way to change the age of your PlayStation 5 account as fast as possible. To change the age of your PSN account, you won't be able to do it using your console. You just need to go to the browser from a mobile or a PC, and on the URL bar, type account.sonymobile.com. Here, just log in using your PSN account's email and password. And after you hit sign in, you'll get prompted to link your account, and if we scroll down, you'll see the date of birth you put in while creating your PSN account. From here, make sure to choose your correct date of birth because you'll be able to change it only once. And you'll also need it when you try to reset your password. So let's change our date of birth. And then just hit save. And that's all. Now your PSN account's age is successfully updated. So you can just exit out and do your thing. So that's how easy it is to change your PSN account's date of birth. If you found this helpful, make sure to stay tuned to our channel for more, and I'll see you around.